In this guide, you'll learn how to download and play Forza Horizon 4 on your PC in just a few simple steps. There are two methods available, so let's dive in. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video for more premium tips. Method 1. Start on your desktop and open Google. Search for Steam and click on the official Steam website. Once on the website, locate and click the Install Steam button to download the application. After installation, open the Steam app and log in or create an account if needed. Navigate to the store section and search for Forza Horizon 4. You'll see 3 editions available: Standard, Deluxe, and Ultimate. Choose the one you want and follow the purchase or download instructions. Method 2. On your desktop, search for Microsoft Store in the search bar and open it. In the Microsoft Store, type Forza Horizon 4 into the search bar. You'll find an option for a free demo version. Click the Get button to start the download. Within seconds, the demo will be ready to play on your PC. By following either of these methods, you can easily download and enjoy Forza Horizon 4 in no time.